This thing is built for both worlds, and I mean for everyone who likes premium look and a watch full of features. It's been 3 weeks and this watch face Pro worked perfectly. But one thing to notice, why you get this watch. Either you are the one who travel a lot and charge your device once in 2 or 3 days, or you are the one who charge your watch every night, because it may change your decision. At first interaction, this watch feels heavy, but with the time you guys will get used to it. And if you are not up for this, go for a smaller version with the same features, but you will need to compromise on titanium build and a bigger battery. Do you guys know that you can take up to 4 days of battery life ahead of a watch face Pro? This watch face Pro will prove you wrong, either if it's a battery life or its durability. After almost 21 days, this watch face Pro manages the battery life pretty well. With the normal day-to-day usage with some exercising, a GPS stuff, and sleep tracking enabled, this can last around 2 days, but with always on display turned off. And if you don't have an active lifestyle, turning these features off will give you even more battery backup. You might find Galaxy Watch face Pro a really thick watch because of its new battery and sensor. And yes, it didn't feel too big when you wear it, until you have a very small wrist. The durability is good. With its new titanium build, this not only looks premium, but durability in these days, this gets small scratches but not enough to be noticeable. We don't usually drop the watch, but if you do so, it can easily manage to take a shot. You should check this feature, the sleep tracking, and if you want more details about your sleep patterns, you can use the Samsung Health app, which will show your sleep cycles and if you snore or not. And I must say, Watch face Pro catches some horrible snoring sounds. Galaxy Watch face Pro can help you improve your sleeping patterns. There are only 2 buttons available and you can customize them, and you can choose what you want to do with these. Or if you're not interested, you can left with the Bixby, but I would prefer having a Google Assistant. Fitness and health conscious people, here's a good news for you. Galaxy Watch face Pro almost have every exercise patterns. You can track your progress. If you wanted details, you can import your details on your phone with the Samsung Health app. There are other cool features like GPX and trackback feature, which will only be used when you do some off-roading and didn't find a way to go back. But these are the useful feature, and that is why Watch face Pro is for the both worlds. Yes, it's an expensive watch. If you don't have a budget, go for a Watch 5 with the same features but with some compromises. But the Galaxy Watch face Pro have everything you need from a watch, like a battery life and a durability. And if you want to know more about durability of a Galaxy Watch face Pro, you can watch this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.